Question is, the sum of two numbers is 15. If the sum of their reciprocals be 3 by 10, find the two numbers. Let x and y be the two numbers. According to the first condition, we can write x plus y is equal to 15. This is marked as equation number 1. According to the second condition, sum of their reciprocals be 3 by 10. That is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 3 by 10. This is equation 2. From equation 1, we can write y is equal to 15 minus x. Substitute the value of y in the equation 2. We will get 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. Now cross multiply. We will get 15 minus x plus x divided by x into 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. Here this x and x will cancel. We will get 15 divided by 15x minus x square is equal to 3 by 10. Now again cross multiply. 15 into 10 is equal to 3 into 15x minus x square. That's equal to 150 is equal to 45x minus 3x square. That implies 3x square minus 45x plus 150 is equal to 0. Divide this equation by 3. We will get x square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. Now factorizing this equation, we can write x square minus 5x minus 10x plus 50 is equal to 0. Here we can take x as common, then x minus 5. Here we can take minus 10 as common, then again x minus 5 is equal to 0. From this we can take x minus 5 as common. X minus 5 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. We can get two values, x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 10. First we write our equation for equation number 1, y is equal to 15 minus x. So in both cases, when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 15 minus 5, that's equal to 10. When x is equal to 10, y is equal to 15 minus 10, that's equal to 5. So the two numbers are 5 and 10. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.